sa YouTube. So guys, mag-install tayo ng clutch master cylinder. Ito yung unit. And then yeah, so very like kind of handy, but very so once ma-shoot nyo na yung kanyang cylinder, clutch master cylinder on that position, dito sa loob, dito nyo hugutin siya, and then just very careful on this thing here, because this contact on the brake pedal is very fragile, guys. So you're gonna have to make a very extra careful on this when putting this in, because this one, these are expensive parts. I don't know why the company is making plastic thing on this thing. Everything is plastic, like so. It's kind of weird of plastic. I hope this is solid enough plastic. So we're gonna push more on the other side. So pagkatapos nyo pong may gawa ito, pwede na po nyong hihilain yung master cylinder paloob, and then pull out and then twist. So counterclockwise yung kanyang pagpasok. So i-twist ninyo gamit nyo yung kanyang katala or adjustable, no? And then once it's in, so you have to like kind of pull this out, okay, and push the brake clutch pedal frame, put it back in place. Alright.